Ire-repot na namin and I'm so excited about it. As what I have mentioned, it looks like it really went back to zero kasi sobrang liit na maliliit talaga yung mga bagong leaves na lumabas sa kanya. Unlike this two na naiwan na sobrang lalaki. So sila yung mga matatanda. And ngayon na nag-recover na siya with all of these new roots here. Ayan, maliit na ulit yung dahon niya. I'm not even sure kung lalagyan pa namin to ng pole in the future or we will just propagate it. So, pakiabangan na lang. Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And for today's vlog, we will be repotting our Philodendron Black Majesty. Kasi finally guys, naka-recover na siya from that time na nabili namin siya na wala po siyang masyadong roots and bagong propagate pa lang. And I'm so excited to do that today. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell button so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you are ready, let's begin. I think this is the very first time that we will be filming our Philodendron Black Majesty, although we have talked about this in our previous videos. Napag-usapan na natin ang about Black Majesty, which is also somewhat similar to Black Cardinal because of the color of the foliage. Magkaiba po sila, and some people find it confusing to see what is a real Black Cardinal when they see a Black Majesty. Parang magkamukha kasi sila. Kung baguhan ka pa lang, especially kapag baguhan ka pa lang na nahilig sa Philodendron, then you would really have a hard time been there. And this one is yung nabili namin for 1,000 pesos. However, isa lang yung root niya and kakapropagate lang sa kanya. Well, this one is already stable when we got it. We bought this for 700 pesos. So, ayun, malaki na siya nung nabili namin. In no time, baka ma-propagate na din to. But since isa pa lang yung aerial root niya, we have to wait na magkaroon siya ng marami. Itong Philodendron Black Majesty na to, dalawa lang talaga yung dahon niyang malalaki before. Yung isa natanggal na, this is the first leaf. Ito yata yung pinaka-old leaf niya. And then nagkaroon siya ng bagong leaf, which is this one. Dalawa yung leaves niya nung nabili namin. And namatay na yung isa, and this is the new one. Hindi masyadong glossy or hindi siya masyadong ganun ka-healthy tingnan. Kasi nga nagre-recover pa siya at that time na merong bagong dahon na lumabas. And fortunately, ngayon, naka-recover na talaga siya totally. Ayan, meron na siyang 3 bagong dahon. As you can see, sobrang layo ng difference ng sizes nila. Kasi nga, para siya nag-go back to zero yata siya. Ayan, kaya maliliit na yung dahon na lumabas sa kanya. And for now, he is cleaning it bago natin siya i-repot. For this one, itong Black Majesty na to, we really have to repot it because it's growing bigger and it needs a bigger pot that will suit its size as well. So, kasi ito, tuwing umuulan siya, parang napupuno ng tubig dyan. Hindi masyadong mabilis mag-drain yung water niya. Kaya ililipat namin. And since mas mali ito, we will use this black pot for this, and ito naman yung ilalagay natin dyan. For those who are still confused, yung Black Majesty guys is ganyan. Medyo pointed siya sa dulo kasi yung Black Cardinal medyo siya, oval yung shape ng leaves niya, and meron siyang parang prominent kasi yung mga lines sa leaf ng Black Cardinal. So ayan, magkaiba po talaga sila. Okay, they are two different species of philodendrons. And yung iba, merong mga nagsasabi na mabilis tumubo at mabilis magkaroon ng mga bagong dahon yung Black Majesty nila even if they are on the darker side. Meron namang ibang nagsasabing hindi sila mabilis tumubo. Like this one, that is the main reason kaya binenta to kasi parang nainip yung may-ari, kakahintay kung kailan siya mapopropagate and hindi daw mabilis tumubo. And so kami, since gusto din naman namin yung mga ganito, we bought one. So, ayan siya. And no regrets kasi super ganda niya. And I've always been dreaming to get this one na merong medyo mataba yung stem niya. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko siyang tingnan. So, for this one, hindi pa natin siya makikita kasi hindi pa siya nakaangat. Ayan, kaka-recover pa lang. So, in no time kapag nag-recover na siya, it will also show the stem. Yung mga pinakita ko kanina na merong mga nodes. So, yun yung pagbabatayan natin when to propagate it. Kapag lumabas na yung mga nodes niya and then meron nang lumabas na mga aerial roots as well. For now, we are ready to take it out from the pot. And as you can see, meron pa siyang tiny twig to brace this leaf, guys. Kasi medyo, mahina siya while it was recovering from that propagation that he had. Hindi siya masyadong ready kasi sa pag-propagate sa kanya. Wala siyang masyadong roots. Kaya ayan, medyo mahina itong leaf na to. Kaya nilagyan namin ng twig, tiny twig para ma-brace siya and hindi siya masyadong lumaylay. For now, he is still trying to loosen the soil para madali natin siyang ma-uproot from there. So, medyo dahan-dahan lang tayo, guys, kasi hindi natin alam yung itsura ng roots niya. And I'm even excited to see as well kung gano'n nakadami yung roots niya and kung ano na yung itsura niya ngayon. Kasi the last time that I saw it, hindi talaga namin siya film nung nag-repot kami sa kanya. Kasi medyo isa lang talaga yung root niya and I wasn't even sure kung mabubuhay siya. Although napakita ko naman siya before. So, ayan, he is trying to uproot it slowly. Na kinakabahan ako. So, and slowly lang talaga kasi baka ma-disturb yung pagtubo niya. Nagre-recover pa lang siya ngayon. So, ayan, hindi siya mahirap hugutin kasi it's a good potting mix. So, ayan, compared dun sa isa, I do not know kung paano na-mix yun. I think hindi yun na-repot. Ganyan lang siya nung nabili namin. Yun lang talaga yung potting mix na gamit. And as you can see, wala siyang rice hulls. Parang puro garden soil lang to. And currently, ganito na yung itsura niya. Super dami na ng roots niya. And those tiny roots that we are seeing, I'm trying to focus the camera. Those tiny roots that we are seeing are actually the new ones. So, sila yung mga bagong roots niya, guys. Hindi namin siya dinisturb. Nagre-recover siya kasi para makatubo siya ng maayos. So, for now, nakikita natin na meron na talaga siyang mga bagong roots and that made me so happy. Sobrang ganda kasi to nang nakuha namin and hindi ko alam na isa lang pala talaga yung root niya. Buti na lang nag-recover siya and that is one good news for today. So, hindi ko na alam, guys, kung ano yung old root dyan. Kasi sobrang dami na ng maliliit na mga bago. Do not worry, I will try to insert the picture of how it looked like before. Bago siya nirepot. Kasi talagang nasad ako nung nakita ko siya na isa lang yung root niya. And sobrang saya ko na meron talaga siyang progress. Hindi lang basta-bastang progress. Kasi sobrang dami na ng mga roots niya. So, for now, hinuhugasan lang muna yung roots na yan para malinis natin siya. Dapat talaga siyang ilipat sa pot na nababagay sa kanya. Since kaka-recover lang and maliliit yung mga dahon niya, kailangan niya ng mas maliit na pot. And we're not even sure if we'll still keep these big ones here. So, ayan na siya ngayon, currently. And guys, I'm just so happy na meron na ding isang aerial root na lumabas. Although maliit pa. So ayan, it's really a great sign of progress. Aside from those tiny roots na lumabas sa kanya. Yan, yung mga bagong roots na makikita natin. Yun yung mga white ones. Or if you are not seeing white, they are a bit pinkish. Sila yung mga bago, guys. And since nalinis na siya, guys, ayan, makikita na natin yung root niya na luma. So, ito yon. Meron na siyang mga tiny roots na lumalabas din. So, ayan, those are signs of new roots, yung mga medyo pale yung kulay. And ito yung cut niya. Medyo old na kasi to, guys. Mahaba daw to na Black Majesty. And this is the top cut. As what I have mentioned, it looks like it really went back to zero. Kasi sobrang liit na mga, maliliit talaga yung mga bagong leaves na lumabas sa kanya. Unlike this two na naiwan na sobrang lalaki. So, sila yung mga matatanda. And ngayon na nag-recover na siya with all of these new roots here. Ayan, maliit na ulit yung dahon niya. And once nag-mature siya, doon din lalaki yung dahon. And I'm not even sure kung lalagyan pa namin to ng pole in the future or we will just propagate it. So, Pakiabangan na lang. We will just leave it here for now. And we will go to the other one para ma-uproot na din natin yon before we exchange their pots. Ito kasing isa guys, this one badly needs repotting dahil nga naiipon yung tubig sa kanya every time na umuulan. And as what I have observed on this one, naiipon yung tubig na halos napupuno na yung pot. And as you can see dyan, medyo malayo yung parang top ng pot o yung edge ng pot dun sa soil niya. Napupuno talaga yun ng water, hindi siya madaling mag-drain because hindi na namin to nirepot nung nakuha namin since gandang-ganda na ako and ayoko siyang i-istorbo. So okay naman siya, tumutubo naman. It's just that I know that magkakaproblema in the near future dahil hindi siya madaling mag-drain. And ito yung magiging pot niya kasi mas malaki naman yung Black Majesty na yon. So ito, ilalagay siya dito sa mas malaking pot. Mag-e-exchange sila. There is nothing much to change in the potting mix since okay naman to. Ito nga yung gamit para mag-recover yung isang Black Majesty. So ito pa rin yung gagamitin. If you have watched our previous videos, then you already know what is the potting mix or what is the media of our plants. But for those of you who are new to this channel, I'd like to inform you that we are using rice hulls, coconut peat. We also have garden soil which is already mixed with cow manure. So ito yung gamit namin dito guys. There is no problem with this potting mix. It's well draining. So ito pa rin yung gagamitin natin. Is trying to loosen the soil kasi medyo marami na yata tong roots since malaki na siya. Dahan-dahan lang dapat para walang roots na maputol. Because it might be a way of fungi to get into your plants. Looking at the potting mix, we can really tell na yung gamit lang talaga is pure garden soil. So, ayan, that is the reason why hindi siya mabilis mag-drain, guys. Kasi hindi loose yung soil na ginamit. He is trying to uproot it slowly. So, ayan guys, dahan-dahan lang. Since maliit lang yung pot niya, medyo puno na yata ng roots yung loob. So, ayan, medyo mahirap siya hatakin. But, okay lang naman, dinahan-dahan and walang naputol na ugat. So, ayan guys, walang naputol. And, eto siya. Ayan, sobrang dami ng roots niya. So, ayan, perfect talaga siya sa mas malaking pot. Para makagalaw ng mabuti o maayos yung roots niya. And, dumami pa. So, make sure that you adjust your pot according to the size of the plant that you have. And to make sure that they can grow well. So, for now, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Iiwan lang natin siya dyan. And then, we'll get back to the other para matanim na natin siya dito sa mas maliit na pot. So, guys, this is the media that we will be using. It has been mixed beforehand. And ready na siya na ilagay dito. So, ayan, to transfer na natin. Na-place na siya ng maayos. And we'll just have to add those potting mix. Maglalagay daw siya ng potting mix na ginamit namin dun sa isa. So, ayan, maglalagay lang ng konti and then we'll add this new potting mix that has been prepared for it. Sa ilalim niyan guys, meron nang nakalagay na coconut fiber to easily drain the excess water once we water our plant. We have decided not to remove those two old leaves na meron siya kasi kawawa naman. Okay pa naman sila ngayon. For now, we will still keep it. Para hindi din siya masaktan and hindi siya masyadong manibago na nirepot and then niremove pa yung mga old leaves niya. Siya nang bahala mag-shed ng mga old leaves niya. So, ayan, we are currently putting the potting mix. So, dapat pupunuin yan enough to cover all of the roots na meron siya para makakuha siya ng nutrients from that potting mix that we have prepared. Can assure you that this potting mix is healthy and will really suit the needs of this Philodendron Black Majesty. So, it does not matter if your dark foliage philodendron is a slow grower. All you have to do is to patiently wait. But before we get right into the video, shout out to Jane Serojano. Thank you for watching, ma'am. Also to Jennifer Abarao. Shout out to you, sir, from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Bella Bihileka. Thank you so much for watching. She is from Saldivar, Pandan, Antique. Salamat po sa support. To Ma'am Liza Ibarra for always watching. Ma'am, palagi ko pong nababasa yung comments nyo. Thank you so much for the support. To PLANTZILLA BHL. And to Zersky.com. I'm sorry if I was a bit confused with the name that you are using on YouTube. Shout out to you. Shout out to Aya Padilla. Thank you so much, ma'am, for watching. To Connie Cabezon, marami pong salamat. Shout out to you. And sa lahat po nagso-support sa Plantzilla. To Irina Matyosh. Irina Matyosh from Russia. Thank you po. Marami pong salamat. So, and guys, we're almost done. Tapos na ba? I'm just not sure about that. All we have to do is to clean the pot. We get right into the montage. But then, meron pa palang isa. So, I almost forgot. So, ayan, tapos na tong isa dito. And we can assure you na mabilis nang mag-drain tong potting mix na to every time na umulan. So, nothing much to worry about this. Ay, hindi naman pala to yung hindi nagdi-drain agad. Yun pala yung isa. But I can assure you that this is a well-draining potting mix. And we will clean the pot before we get right into the montage para hindi masyadong nakakaya. So, ayan. So, ito guys, yung kulang na pala dito is yung potting mix na ilalagay dyan. Ready na siya. And would like to inform you as well that we will be propagating our philodendron SYA. I'm not sure if we can propagate it today. So, depende sa kakayanin ng battery and sa storage. So, ayan na siya guys. Napakita ko kanina na meron ng coconut fiber sa ilalim. So, all we have to do is to add the potting mix para makompleto itong yung repotting process niya. And then, we will clean the pot as well. Ito yung old potting mix na nandito ha. So, yun pa rin yung gagamitin namin. Wala namang problema. Yung nasa loob lang nito yung problema kanina. So, ayan. Medyo malaki na siya. Pot is really suitable for this Black Majesty because of the size. And he's currently adding the potting mix. And since malapit na tayong matapos, I'll get back to you when we get right into the montage. So yun guys, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon beside it so you will get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!